Nothing in Dollar Tree costs $1 anymore. The cheapest thing on the shelf is $1.25, and plenty of it runs to $3, $5, even $7. Everyone blames inflation, but this company built its escape hatch 33 years ago, and it built it into its own name. Let's do the teardown. In 1986, 3 men opened 5 little stores and called the chain only $1. That was the whole business, not a discount, a rule. One price meant no price tags, no markdowns, and no deciding what anything was worth. You filled the shelf, and the shelf sold itself. For about 35 years, that rule held. Then, 7 years in, they changed the name. In 1993, only $1 became Dollar Tree. Look at what that new name does. It says the word dollar. It does not promise one. Company histories say that was the point. The name was chosen to leave room for a day when one price would not be enough. So what happens when that day finally comes? It came in 2021. Dollar Tree raised its price to $1.25, the first change in about 35 years. The chief executive called it permanent and said it was not a reaction to short-term or transitory conditions. CNN ran a piece asking whether it was one of the worst decisions in retail history. It was not. Last year, Dollar Tree sold $19.4 billion of stuff. $16.8 billion, then $17.6, then $19.4. Up every year since the dollar died. And it keeps more of what it takes. Gross margin climbed to 36.8%. So if the critics were wrong, who is actually paying for all of this? The answer is in Dollar Tree's own quarterly filing. Sales at the same stores rose 3.5%. But read how. The average basket went up 4.5%. Customer traffic went down 1%. Fewer people are walking in, the ones who do are spending more. And the company says why, in its own words. Targeted retail price changes and a higher mix of multi-price items. The growth is not more customers. The growth is the price. So here is the teardown. The dollar was never the business. It was the marketing. The business was one fixed cost point, and when the costs moved, the price had to move with them. And the name had been ready for that since 1993. If you want more teardowns like this one, subscribe.